How many types of inner class are there? 4 types. What is first one? Member class. First one, member class. Second one, static member class. Third one, local class. Fourth one, anonymous class. Okay. Member class, static member class, local class, anonymous class. Member class completed, static member class also completed, no? Yesterday, local class also completed. Local class also completed, no? Local class completed. Few points I given. What is the last point I given? Access modifiers cannot be, member class and static member class can have all access modifier. Next point. That is last. Next, write it. Access modifiers. Last point. Access modifiers cannot be applied. Access modifiers cannot be applied. Access modifiers cannot be applied to local class. Access modifiers cannot be applied to local class. So we cannot apply access modifiers to local class. No private, no protected, no default, no public. No access modifiers like. Okay. Next, outer class and local class cannot be static. Outer class and local class cannot be static. Outer class and local class cannot be static. For outer class, static we cannot write. Inside the method, local class we cannot write static. Outer class and local class cannot be static. Outer class and local class cannot be static. Say member class, static member class, local class, anonymous class. 4 types of classes. Member class, you can apply all access modifiers. Static member class, you can apply all access modifiers. Local class cannot be, access modifier cannot be applied. Okay. Now, if we write static member class, if you don't write static member class inside a method, you cannot write static. And outer class also cannot be static. Okay. Now, these 3 very simple. It is just like an instance variable, class variable, local variable, that type. See, if I write a class here, what is this? Member class. If I write a class here, static member class. Okay. If I write a class here, local class. Okay. Now, here, which access modifier present? No name. Here, access modifier is not there. Okay. No access modifier. Now, it is no name, it is no name, it is no name. But here, no access modifier. Access modifier is not there. Okay. Now, here, Here, static if you write static member class. Here, if you write static, error comes. Here, if you write static, error comes. You cannot write. Okay. It is just like an instance variable. It's just like a class variable. It is like a local variable. These three very simple. These three usage very less. But last one is it is most important. It is difficult also. Okay. Whatever required, that is only difficult. Anonymous class, little hard to understand. Listen with more concentration. Further, based on this anonymous class only, functional interfaces, lambda expressions, predefined functional interfaces, method references, constructor reference, so many concepts introduced. So, anonymous class is a most important anonymous class. Okay. Now, anonymous class, listen with more concentration. It is most important. Next, note on anonymous class. Anonymous class.